This length is going to be 2 pi r, or pi times diameter. Okay, but I'm just going to use 2 pi r because it's easier when we work it out. So here we've got the surface area is 2 pi r squared, and then the area of this part is going to be 2 pi r times h. So we're going to add on 2 pi r h. Okay, so that is the surface area of a cylinder. Surface area of a cylinder is that there. Okay, so now we're going to use the information that we've got already. So the surface area is this here. So we're going to write that down here. So surface area of the cylinder is 980.18, and that's equal to 2 pi r squared. So we know that 2 pi times, we know the radius is 6, so 6 squared, plus 2 pi times 6 times the height. Okay, so the next step, so we're going to sort this out a bit. So all we're doing, we're just putting in the information that we already got. So we got the surface area of the cylinder, so we put that into the formula, and we've got the radius, so put that into the formula as well. Where we see r, we put 6 where we see r, because that's the radius of this cylinder. So let's sort this one out a bit, tidy it up. So we've got this here's 2 pi times 36 plus 2 pi, or 2 times 6 is 12, so put 12 pi h, and then let's sort this one out. So we're gonna get, I'm just come down here and do it. So we've got 980.18 is equal to 72 pi plus 12 pi times h. So that's what we've got given to. That's what we've got now. So what we're left with is this here. So we need to find what h is. So what we're going to do, we are going to take away 72 pi from both sides. Okay, so 980.18 minus 72 pi, and then we're going to be left with 12 pi h on this right side. Yeah, because we've taken away 72 pi from both sides, and that's what we get here. Okay, then the next step is we need to make h by itself. So because this 12 pi is times by h, so we're going to do the opposite of timesing, which is dividing. So we're going to divide both sides by 12 pi. So divide this right side of the equal sign by 12 pi, and all of this left side of the equal sign by 12 pi as well. So h is going to equal to 980.18 minus 72 pi divided by 12 pi, and then that on your calculator, when you put that in, it will give you your answer for h. So when we divided this by 12 pi, any number divided by itself is 1. So 12 pi divided by 12 pi is 1. So that's why we're just left with 1h here, or just h. And then what we do to one side of the equal sign, we have to do to the other side as well. So that means that we'll have to divide this here by 12 pi. So let's work this one out on the calculator and see what we get. Okay, so on the calculator, we get 20.00008202. Don't round it just yet because we're still doing our working out, but our final answer we round just to 20 will be fine. So h equals 20 centimeters.